So, welcome in the third session of this series of lectures of the fluid machinery. Today I will discuss the reciprocating pump. The outline of my today's presentation is basically the first we describe what is the basic concept of the reciprocating pump, then components of the reciprocating pump, then what is the working of reciprocating pump, how to calculate the discharge, then what is the work done by the reciprocating pump, what are the slip and what are the positive and negative slip, and after that we classify the reciprocating pump on the different basis. Then at last we discuss the variation of velocity and acceleration. So, before going to introduce the reciprocating pump, what is the actually the pump is the in centrifugal pump we describe in the detail what are the pumps. Pump is hydraulic machines which convert mechanical power into the hydraulic power. Hydraulic power is the in form of pressure energy. So, in case of the centrifugal pump, the conversion of potential energy or conversion of energy, hydraulic energy by the centrifugal force only. But in this case, yes, there is the lifting in the suction pipe, then there is the cylinder piston arrangement. In case of the centrifugal pump, there is the impeller, yes, mechanical power, then movement of the impeller, yes, pressure, yes, negative pressure creation, then there is the lifting. In case of the reciprocating pump is also known as positive displacement pump. Why it is positive displacement? Because there is the arrangement of the cylinder and piston arrangement. Yes, we are the sucking liquid by the suction pipe, then there are the different suction stroke and delivery stroke. There are so many stages of the stroke. Yes, beginning stroke, middle stroke, end of stroke, suction stroke. Same as the reverse means there is the forward stroke, there is the backward stroke. Yes, so these are the few basic fundamental of the reciprocating pump. So, reciprocating pump are the positive displacement pump. Initially the small, what is the application? The application of reciprocating pump, this is used for the small quantity of water with pressurized, pressure is the very high, lifting is the very high, yes, quantity discharge quantity is the minimal. Okay. So, reciprocating pump is a positive displacement pump. Initially a small quantity of liquid is taken into the chamber and is physically displaced and forced out with pressure by moving mechanical elements. These are also useful where high head are required with small discharge, just as application, the real application in oil drilling operations. Okay. So, this one is the, just see, yes, any diagram, this one is the suction pipe, yes, beginning of a stroke, there is the crank, yes, if you see the component, there is the crank, yes, there is the piston, cylinder, piston rods, movement of the crank from the, yes, from beginning to middle and end of. So, that is why we are completed the suction stroke, similar in the delivery stroke. So, this all about the basic concept of this reciprocating pump. If we see the component is the piston. If it is a piston, this one is the cylinder, yes. So, suction pipe, this one is the sump label, sump is the, this label is at the atmospheric pressure, pressure is the, yes, this atmospheric pressure, similar is the suction head and this one is the delivery head. So, the components are these are the main components, suction pipe, delivery pipe, suction valve, delivery valve, these are the, yes. What is the function? How? At the initial, the piston is at this position. Piston initially piston is at this position. Means when it yes moving like this, angular yes velocity theta, this crank is the moving from this one is the theta, initially theta is the 0, then middle of stroke. So, this stroke is the suction stroke, at the middle of stroke theta 90, at the end of stroke theta is 180. So, one stroke is completed from theta 0 at this place, okay, and last theta is 180. So, one stroke is a completed suction stroke. So, at this initial position, if you see at this initial position, what is the velocity? Velocity is 0, this point, at last velocity the 0. So, means when the piston is moving from the initial position to final position, their velocity is the starting from 0, then maximum, at the center it is maximum, that at the last end point, yes, at the end of the suction stroke, this one is the again 0. So, means starting is the liquid is the acceleration, means starting to the beginning of the stroke there is the acceleration, at the after the middle to end of stroke the retardation. So, in all the cases, in the all same as the delivery, this one is the delivery at this theta 180, 270 or 360, or we can say theta again 0, 180, that the reference point 0, 90 and 180. So, all these are okay. What are the functioning? Functioning is the same at the initial, this point is the 0. So, when the leftmost position when the piston is this position 0, when this is moving like this, yes, suction stroke, at the suction stroke the lifting takes place, lifting of the water takes place. Okay. So, when the rightmost position theta at the end of beginning stroke, means at theta 180, the left portion of the yes this cylinder is fully filled by the water or any liquid. Okay. So, means at the we are talking about the single acting. So, at the one stroke suction takes place, at the another stroke delivery stroke same, the delivery it exert force in the delivery valve, it's open and delivery is started from this stroke. Means suction stroke, first one is the suction, yes, stroke, lifting of a water, delivery stroke, the delivery of a water. So, this all about, if you see the fundamental, what is the fundamental? When the piston moves from the left to right, suction is produced in the cylinder. If the pump is started for the first time or after a long period, there is the air from the suction pipe is the sucked during the suction stroke. So, these function is the similar, just we discussed. We see this one is the very the crisp or the real example of the reciprocating pump, how the this is the connected by the external the prime mover, mechanical power, then the cylinder piston arrangement. Just see this one is the suction and delivery stroke, then lifting of a water during suction stroke. Yes, this one is the suction stroke. During suction, there is the lifting of a water. Just see, lifting of a lifting of a water, suction stroke, yes, delivery stroke again. Okay. So, this one is a very good, the real example, the simulation. This one is the simulated figure of a reciprocating pump. How the real reciprocating pump is in the real sense, how the real this it's working. Yes, water, how the water is the lifting. So, this one is the then how you calculate then ultimate objective. The all the pumps, yes, in the first lecture, yes, we described the what is the real goal objective of a pumps. Pump in all the rotodynamic category, there the two type of machine exist. One is the power producing, another is the power absorbing. So, power producing, yes, all type of turbine comes under category of power producing. In case of the pump, it is power absorbing, power absorbing. So, the if the ultimate is the if absorb power means mechanical power, then mechanical power is converted into hydraulic power, means hydraulic power means the output is the in form of the discharge only, output is the form of discharge. So, in case of reciprocating pump, how we calculate discharge? Yes, how we calculate discharge? So, discharge, so first we calculate discharge, then what is the work done? Work done. So, what is the discharge? Yes, in case of the reciprocating, this discharge, okay, discharge per second. So, this one is simple, the liquid, the volume of the cylinder filled with the liquid. Suppose length is, yes, stroke length is L, okay, area is A. So, this become, yes, A L, if RPM is N, N RPM, N is the RPM. So, N by 60, N by 60 is the per second. So, this one is the discharge, A L N upon 60. So, this one is the discharge, means discharge. Again, what is work done? Work done means work done equal to weight of water, weight of water into height h. Before that, we discuss if this is the single acting, if the single acting. So, in case of the single acting reciprocating pump, we get discharge only the delivery stroke. Just we see the diagram. If you draw discharge, yes, versus this crank angle. So, first in case of this one is the single acting, in case of the single acting, at the 0 to 180 at this, there is no delivery, because 0 to beginning, middle, end of store, only suction of a liquid takes place, lifting takes place. So, there is no output, but in case of the double acting, the both the time, because in double acting, yes, simultaneous at the time of a suction, we get the delivery. So, suction and S1 means suction 1, D1 delivery 1, suction 2, D2 delivery 2. So, again for this, if you draw the discharge, QD means, what is the D? D means discharge, delivery, yeah, okay, this one is the delivery. So, in case of the single acting, no delivery, in case of double acting, delivery at the section and middle of the stroke. So, how we calculate the work done? So, we have the discharge, if we have the discharge, so what is the weight of water lifting? Yes, weight of water lifting. How we calculate weight of water? Weight of water, yes, weight of water, we can know mg, yes, this is the weight of water, mg. No, what is the mass? Density equal to mass upon volume, okay. So, mass equal to density into volume, So, mass, if this is the mass per second, volume per second, so this volume per second become discharge. So this rho discharge q, rho q, this is the mass. So what is the weight? Weight equal to rho q g, or rho g into q, rho g into q. So we have the weight, what is the weight? Rho g, okay, q, and we have already calculated discharge. This is the A L n upon 60. So in place of q, A L n upon 60. So rho g A L n upon 60. So this one is the weight of water per second lifting, and what is the work done? This weight of water lifting into height, this Hs plus Hd, So rho g A L n upon 60 Hs plus Hd. So this one is the work done per second. So that become power. This is the power rho g A L n upon this 60 into 1000 Hs plus Hd. So this unit is in kilowatt. So just see discharge q, this one is the discharge. For the single acting, this discharge is the, yes, for the double acting, discharge become twice, A L n upon 60. For double, this is double. So this one is the work done. Just see similar A L n upon, and for the double acting, it become 2 time for the double act. So after discussing the how we calculate the discharge, then work done means ultimate power, then we defined as the two very important term, that is the slip may be positive or negative. First we defined what is the slip of centrifugal pump. Slip is nothing but this one is the difference of actual discharge minus theoretical. Slip is q theoretical minus q actual. This is the slip, but generally this slip is defined percentage slip. What is the percentage slip? Q theoretical minus q actual upon this q theoretical. So we can say 1 minus q actual upon q theoretical. So this, yes, is known as 1 minus C D. Yes, because it is percentage, so 100, okay, 100. And what is the C D? What is the C D? Coefficient of discharge. So slip means difference between theoretical and actual discharge. Q theoretical, Q because it is percentage. Okay. So this is C D 1 minus C D into 100. C D is coefficient of discharge. Okay. In most of the cases actually Q theoretical equal to greater than Q actual in the most of the cases, but in few cases Q actual greater than Q theoretical. If such cases occurs, it means the value of CD. What is the value of CD? If Q actual is greater than the Q theoretical, yes, CD is greater than 1. So, this percentage slip is negative. Slip is negative. Yes, when there is the chances of, yes, slip, when the actual, it occurs when delivery pipe is very short in comparison to the suction pipe. Means suction pipe is long and the pumps run at high speed, means what is the chances of the negative slip? If suction pipe LS is long, yes, greater than suction pipe, length of suction, okay, and speed, this RPM is high, if high, then there is the chances, Q actual, this value Q actual is greater than Q theoretical. In such case, CD greater than 1 and this slip is negative. Slip is negative. Then we classification, how we classify reciprocating pump. If you classify, so reciprocating pump, again the number of, on the basis of number of cylinders, on the basis of water contact. If number of cylinder, they are the single acting, okay, single cylinder, double cylinder, triple cylinder. In case of the water content, single acting and double acting. So, this one is the, then, so this one is the very most important, variation of velocity and acceleration. What is the variation of velocity and acceleration? Means if at the initial position, yes, at this position, initial position, this 0, velocity 0, velocity of, okay, 0, at middle maximum, at end of velocity 0, means at 0 to 90, yes, any stroke, I am talking about any. So, there is the acceleration 90 to, this is the retardation. Similar in the delivery stroke, this is the suction stroke, because initial this piston 0 velocity, then maximum, then again 0. So, there the fluctuation takes place. Again at this, at the reverse stroke, delivery stroke, at this velocity 0, at mid maximum, at this section is the again 0. So, there is the fluctuation. Due to this fluctuation, there is the fluctuation in the suction and delivery pipe. Yes, for this acceleration, so there is the variation in velocity and acceleration. So, we are calculating what is this real effect of the velocity and acceleration. Suppose this is the x, this value is, just see what is this, this is the x. What is this x? This x equal to, just see, this x equal to r minus this r cos theta, this OF, r minus r cos of theta. So, this x equal to r 1 minus cos theta, theta, what is theta? Omega into t. So, this x equal to r 1 minus cos omega into t. So, this we know the x, so x equal to, we know that this x equal to r 1 minus cos omega t, means there is the this displacement of the piston. Then what about the velocity of the piston, capital V, velocity of piston, dx upon dt, we calculate dx, what is the dx upon dt? So, this cos minus sin, this become r omega sin omega t. So, this is the velocity, r omega sin omega t means r omega sin theta. This one is the velocity. Yes, velocity of liquid flowing or velocity of piston. So, we know continuity A1 V1 equal to A into V. What is AV? AV is the, this one is the pipe area, okay, into velocity, this small velocity of liquid flowing in the suction pipe, A into V. So, what is the, how you calculate area? So, this area A equal to A1 V1 upon small a. A1 means big area, this area capital A, area of this cylinder A, velocity of this r omega sin theta upon A, yes, that is the small a. So, this is the small a. So, this axle A equal, yes, area and this velocity, we are going to calculate velocity, not this, we are going to calculate velocity, this is the area, okay, this one is the velocity, this is the velocity, small v, we are calculating small v equal to A upon A r omega sin theta. Yes, this is the velocity, A upon A r omega. So, if we have the velocity, we know the velocity, then we calculate how we calculate force. We have the velocity, then we calculate acceleration, then we calculate the forces. We know the ultimate, our target is to calculate the pressure head. We know the F equal to, yes, m into mass into acceleration, mass into acceleration. So, what is the mass? Mass again density equal to mass upon volume. So, we calculate m equal to, yes, m equal to density into volume rho al mass, okay, into acceleration, yes, mass into acceleration. So, if we have the calculating force, okay, we have calculating the force, we calculate force, yes, force equal to mass into acceleration. So, by this we calculate pressure intensity P A. If we calculate P A, so this become force upon area. So, if we calculate force upon area, we got this P, the value of P A. Ultimate, our objective is to calculate H A. What is H A? This P A upon small rho into G. So, we have to calculate by this pressure intensity. This is the pressure intensity this upon rho g. So, by this we can calculate L upon G, A upon A omega square r cos theta. So, we have, yes, we have calculate this H A, H due to acceleration, this, yes, pressure head due to acceleration equal to L upon G into A upon small a omega square r cos of theta. So, A suffix s is the for section. So, this L become Ls, A become As. Okay. Then again this value depend upon cos theta. Similar D for this one is the for delivery pipe HAD. For the theta variation is the theta 0. Okay. For the theta 0, theta for beginning theta 0, for middle theta is 90 and theta is 180. So, this theta 0, this value is the positive, cos 0 1. At the middle of stroke there is the no effect. At the end of stroke this value is the minus, and maximum value is the at the beginning and at the middle of stroke, at the end of stroke, but magnitude is the different. Okay. So, this maximum head, and why this one is the, what is this? Maximum pressure head due to acceleration. Okay. So, we completed the variation of velocity and acceleration. Okay. Thank you.